Hello, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to read a fun story called Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault, illustrated by Lois Ehlert. Let's get started. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. We, said D to EFG, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka, boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka, boom boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming, LMNOP. And QRS and TUV. Chicka chicka, boom boom. Chicka chicka, boom boom. Skit scat scoodly doo, flip flop flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pile up, skin knee D and stub toe E and patched up F. Then comes G all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted, alley-oop. Skit scat scoodly doo, flip flop flee. Then U, V, W, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come, X, Y, Z, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. Look who's coming, it's Black-Eyed P, Q, R, S, and Loose Tooth T. But, chicka chicka, boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka, boom boom.